today's video is April's BOXYCHARM 2018. So let's get started. So the little paper they gave us is different today, this month. It's eye candy and it's so adorable. I like this little slip that they gave us. I think this one's so much cuter than the other one they used to give us. Alright, first off, I'm gonna start off with I'm not sure if I'm gonna pronounce this right, but Odyssey New York liquid lipstick. I have had a, what was it? A chapstick, a lip. I don't know. It was something, and I liked it. So the shade is like this, which is pretty. This liquid lipstick is so pretty. I love it. It feels so creamy and soft, and I love the color. So this product cost $24, and it's called a high definition liquid lipstick. All right, completely win. Love it. All right, next one. Next one is the Brow Gal, which is brow gel, tinted brow gel. This one cost $22. Alright, just gonna go ahead and use it. I can feel the wetness. I cannot see anything though. Okay, I see some of the product, but this color is just too light for me. Yep. This product is just too light for me. I can see the product on my finger. I think if this product was darker, I would completely love it, but it's just not gonna work. It's too light for me, but I mean, I'll still use it and see how it works out. But I think this is a good product though. So we have a liquid highlighter by Tarte Pro Glow. It's so pretty. So I just got a small amount, like that. You see how pretty that is? It's so pretty. It's like a gold highlighter. Really, really pretty. So I love this also, and it costs $29, which is worth it because it's so pretty. Alright. Next we have by Dr. Brandt a vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask, which is $47. Let me see how it works. After cleansing, apply a thin layer to area of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 or 3 times it per week for maximize results. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it right on my chin because I feel like I have a zit coming in. Okay, it looks like toothpaste, and it has those little balls that you can find in like hand sanitizer. You'll see. It's so weird. It's like a liquid toothpaste. And it smells good. So I can feel the cooling sensation right now, as it says up there. It feels good. But they call it a purifying mask, but it's not really like a mask. It's like a really thin mask. Alright, so the next thing we have is ColourPop Golden State of Mind. It's so pretty. And these are all the pretty shades. This one is $26. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. And they look kind of hard in here. Alright, so these feel chalky. They don't feel like creamy like this other glitter palette I have. They feel chalky and they look chalky. I'm not sure if I'm gonna love this. I have to try it out. Like, do y'all see the chalkiness? It looks chalky. Well, I'm not sure if I love this, but it's so beautiful. I want to love it. I hope these eyeshadows work. So the total price of this box is $148, which is really awesome since you only paid $21 for this box. This mask feels cooling. I'm not sure if I'm gonna see any results after this. Probably not. I think you're gonna need to use it 2 or 3 times. Since it says here, it's almost dry. So I'll just go wash it off in a little. But I completely love this box, but I'll give it a 4 rating due to the eyeshadow is like chalky and I'm not sure if it's gonna work. The pigment isn't that good. It's very flaky, like the eyeshadow is flaking off of my hand right now. I don't know. I hope it works out. I hope it's just, I hope I can fix it with setting spray. I don't know. But I give it a 4-star rating, and if you haven't subscribed to BOXYCHARM, go ahead, because the amount that you get for the amount you pay for is worth it. So I want to wash it off. I just feel very clean and refreshed. I don't really see anything right now. Like I said, I think you have to use it like 2 or 3 times to see any results. But it smells amazing. It feels great. So I think it's worth it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, because I post 2 times a week, sometimes 3. And this is all for my video. Bye!